ハイパースピードメディア。
How you doing? Name's Mark Oxenrider. Online, social media, I'm No Sleep Imports. Here I have a 1998 Nissan Micra imported from Japan. It's got about 52,000 kilometers, so about 39,000 miles. It's a 1 liter, it's a 4-cylinder front-wheel drive, 5-speed. It's actually a Nissan March. The rest of the world are Nissan Micras, but we're going to pop the hood here. So once again, it's a 98. It's got low miles, but the Japanese too are very meticulous. I mean, look at the motor. This thing looks.
Considered a K car?
No, K cars would be a 3-cylinder. Well, it doesn't have. It's actually 66 cc's or lower. This is a 1 liter, so no. What else is really cool with cars from Japan is so their VIN number over here, their VIN plate.
Yes.
All the information is on that VIN plate. You've got, the VIN number for the car, the K11. They call it a chassis number, but you also have the engine. So you can see what kind of engine it is right from there. It's a CJ10DE. They made different ones, but you can get all the information right from that. So this isn't a K car. It's bigger than what a K car would be. The motor's bigger than what a K motor would be. So no, this thing's...
Front wheel drive?
Yeah, front wheel drive, yeah. Yeah, and this would be a pretty basic car in Japan, pretty inexpensive.
Yeah. And what was the 2 car before this model?
So it was based on the Nissan Micra. The Nissan March was the the Nissan POW, the Nissan Figaro, and the Nissan B1. That was all sold under Nissan. Had they made a specialty brand, a retro market. They were called Pike cars. P-I-K-E.
Okay. Were they trying to target like the mini market, because it's similar to the mini, right?
So it was actually before that. So they were all sold they were sold just a few years in the early 90s. And it was just when that whole retro thing was going on. Like the Volkswagen Beetle was about to come out. All those cars, all the retro ones. So Nissan kind of beat everybody to it and made these Pike cars, which, look them up on the internet. They're really cool looking cars. If you notice, so this car over in Japan, whoever had it before, you can see they had, and I'm going to walk in the back and show you this. Yeah, it wasn't sticker, it's a magnet. So walk around the back over here and I'll explain what this magnet means. Right here. So this is the magnet that was on the car. So in Japan, if someone's driving that car, that means the driver is 70 years old or older. So I thought it was appropriate, me being old. I'm not quite 70, but when I had the magnets in the glove box, I was like, dude, this is awesome. I'm putting this on the back. I was afraid they'd fall off, but you can see whoever was driving it, it had to be somebody that was 70 years old or older. So, I mean, the interior is, there's nothing special about this car, but whoever owned it really took care of it. I mean, the seats are, it's a 1998.
Wow.
It's narrow, so like get in, we'll put 2 adults side by side, and you'll see what I mean. Like, my wife and I went out last night in this thing.
Not too bad.
We're really close. See what I mean?
Yeah. But in terms of like seating position?
Oh, no, yeah.
I tried sitting in the AZ one.
Yeah.
That thing was tiny.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for that.
Yeah, man.
ハイパースピードメディア。